pyramids of Egypt are the most studied ancient structures on Earth. They have been measured, scanned, mapped, and analyzed using modern science. And yet, after more than 200 years of research, scientists still admit one thing. We do not fully understand how they were built. This is not a story of aliens or magic. This is a look at what science confirms, and where unanswered questions begin. The Great Pyramid of Giza was built around 2600 BCE for Pharaoh Khufu. It originally stood 146.6 meters tall and remained the tallest man-made structure on Earth for nearly 4,000 years. More than 2.3 million stone blocks were used. The average block weighs 2 to 3 tons. Some granite blocks weigh over 70 tons. The pyramid was not built in isolation. It was part of a larger funerary complex including temples, causeways, and worker settlements. Archaeology confirms that skilled human labor built the pyramids, not slaves, supported by organized food supply, medical care, and engineering planning. The Great Pyramid is aligned to true north with an error of only 0.05 degrees. This level of precision rivals modern surveying methods. The pyramid's base is leveled to within less than 2 centimeters across its entire surface, achieved without lasers, GPS, or modern instruments. Ancient Egyptians had no known magnetic compass. Scientists believed they used star observations, shadow measurements, and geometric methods. What remains unclear is how this precision was achieved consistently on such a massive scale, over decades of construction. Mainstream science supports the use of ramps to move stone blocks upward. Proposed ramp models include straight ramps, zigzag ramps, and internal spiral ramps. Physics experiments confirm that stone blocks can be moved on wooden sleds, especially when water is poured on sand to reduce friction. However, no physical remains of large construction ramps have ever been found near the Great Pyramid. No written construction manual has survived. No inscriptions explain the exact building method. This absence does not disprove the ramp theory, but it leaves critical gaps in our understanding. Inside the Great Pyramid are several chambers: the King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, the Grand Gallery, and a subterranean chamber. In 2017, scientists used muon particle scanning, a technique borrowed from particle physics. The scan revealed a large unknown void, approximately 30 meters long above the Grand Gallery. The void does not appear to be structural damage. Its purpose remains unknown. Egyptian authorities acknowledge the discovery, but no excavation has been approved. The existence of such a large, unexplained space continues to raise questions. The pyramids are aligned precisely to the 4 cardinal directions. Certain shafts inside the pyramid align closely with the positions of ancient stars. Ancient Egyptian religion associated the constellation Orion with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. Some researchers suggest the pyramid's design symbolically connects Earth to the stars. The so-called Orion correlation theory remains controversial. Mainstream science does not confirm a direct map of Orion, but agrees that astronomical symbolism played a role in pyramid design. Granite used inside the Great Pyramid was transported from Aswan, over 800 kilometers away. Granite is extremely hard and difficult to cut accurately. Ancient Egyptians used copper tools and stone pounding techniques. Some granite surfaces show precision within millimeters. Modern engineers acknowledge that such accuracy is impressive, though not impossible. The debate centers not on whether it could be done, but how efficiently and consistently it was achieved. The pyramids do not require aliens to be explained. They do not prove advanced lost civilizations, but they do expose the limits of our historical knowledge. Science explains much, but not everything. The pyramids remain standing not because of mystery, but because of extraordinary human intelligence. And until every question is answered, they will continue to invite speculation, not as myths, but as reminders of how much we still have to learn.